right, a lot to talk about tonight. We have local weather, gusty winds, and some quick moving rain showers. Right now, they're just on our doorstep of Boca and Highland Beach, and maybe even into Del Rey. Some more rain coming in. Looks like that may trail off more toward the Highland Beach south in toward Boca and eventually down around Lauderdale. Keep an eye on that. But showers are possible anywhere. Not everyone will see rainfall, though. Our winds up and down, 25, 35 miles an hour. Those winds will actually get a little bit stronger tomorrow and Wednesday and maybe even Thursday, with that kind of enhanced by the tropical system to the south, Rafael. For Election Day, not looking too bad. There'll be a few quick moving showers, but a fair amount of sunshine. Windy, though. Windy, the weather word through the next few, with wind gusts over 30 miles an hour possible at times. Here's a look at the tropics. We're in the central Caribbean now. This is Rafael, new tropical storm as of 4 p.m. today, expected to become a Category 2 hurricane before landfall at southwestern Cuba. That'll be Wednesday afternoon, 100-mile-an-hour winds. And then as it comes into the Gulf of Mexico, it slowly weakens. Weather conditions are just not that favorable in the month of November. There's some dry air, lots of wind shear here. Water temperatures are not quite as warm as they were even a few weeks ago. So there is expected to be some weakening down to a tropical storm as it approaches the northern Gulf. The model tracks a pretty good agreement, but there is a little bit of a spread as it approaches the northern Gulf. So there's some uncertainty past day 4, but at that point it's past us. And it really looks unlikely that we're going to have any kind of significant impact here, although the lower and the middle Keys now under a tropical storm watch. I don't think we'll see watches here. It's just not that close. Our probability of seeing tropical storm force winds about 5 to 10%. You can see better than a 50-50 chance, though, down through the lower Keys. And the Vipercast model, one of many models that we take a look at, keeps almost all of the rain and the heaviest weather well to the west of us. There's Wednesday afternoon. I mean, just really partly cloudy with a few rain squalls here. The west coast of Florida gets some pretty significant squalls, and they may be dealing with, a tornado threat in that area. But for us, it looks like we're far enough away. In fact, the center of the storm on Wednesday and Thursday is about 300 miles away from us. So it's far enough that we don't get any kind of direct impacts. 70s for overnight lows and a few quick moving showers. Warm and humid and windy tomorrow. 84, and that humidity sticks around, and so does the wind. Gusty winds. I do think we will see a wind advisory, perhaps Tuesday and Wednesday, with those wind gusts around 35 miles an hour. But thankfully, it doesn't look like we'll get into a tropical storm conditions.